right, we have our people in place. The torch is in place.
All right.
We're going to kick off the lighting of the event torch, starting with our very own sports prefect. He's off. He's off to pass the torch.
Oh, yes. Joined by the assistant sports prefect, I think. Now on to the head girl. And it's coming straight to the head boy. Passing the torch to the head boy right now. And it's coming all the way to the head of school. And now to the CEO. 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 Thank you very much. Please, a hand of applause for that spiritual sportsmanship being displayed over there.
Thank you very much to our head of school and our CEOs of our students and our policeman. Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much.